If you are new to Power Platform and just starting,
Power Platform is many things to many people. You may be looking at Canvas apps in conjunction with data sources like SharePoint to create your apps. Or maybe you have already recognized the need for Dataverse as your data repository and want to create more manageable model-driven apps. If it is the latter, then AgileXRM adds great value. AgileXRM keeps model-driven process apps low-code, mostly no-code, because with AgileXRM, you avoid having to use JavaScript in your Dataverse Forms and avoid needing to write C# code as in plugins, etc. Also, being a BPM tool, you will be modeling and configuring your business processes and your user interfaces or interactions explicitly with Microsoft Visio, a visual tool that is designed to be understood by business users, without extensive knowledge of Dataverse customization. Anyone can create complex process apps easily and cleanly. If you are already using Power Platform to some extent and want to do more, in this case, having delved into the platform already, you probably have recognized how some requirements are harder to implement, either needing resources with expert knowledge or requirements that need too much effort to implement. AgileXRM allows you to reach much further, quicker without requiring a higher level of Dataverse knowledge. If you are already deep into Power Platform and have created many complex solutions, there is no better person than you to know exactly where the pain points are.
Difficulty in correctly capturing the business process requirements. Business users usually use a flowchart diagram to describe their process requirements, but they will never see it again in the produced apps.
From requirements captured to creation and execution, everyone uses the same process model. Everyone sees the same model at design time and at runtime, and it is understandable by everyone.
Cost and effort in creating the solutions. Good expert resources are hard to find in the market, and certain requirements demand excessive amounts of code, leading to over-customization of the platform.
Implement complex business requirements much faster and by non-developers. Avoid over-customization of the platform by keeping everything low-code.
Cost and effort of maintaining the solutions, especially when resources leave or when business requirements change once in production, and how those changes affect existing processes that are mid-flight.
The process logic is being documented with the end-to-end process model is what you model is what you execute, and it is easy to see what needs to be changed and where in the model. You can even compare different versions of the process to see exactly what changed and where.
Cost and effort in troubleshooting when things go wrong, given the end-to-end business process is split across many components, such as flows, workflows, actions, custom API, business rules, business process flows, plugins, custom pages, and client-side JavaScript. It is hard to identify what failed and needs to be fixed, and even when it is identified and fixed, how that affects existing processes, which are still in progress.
First, you can model error handling in your business process using alternative paths. There is also a retry mechanism, but if eventually a step in the process fails, the process is suspended, and the error is made visually visible in the process monitor and recorded in Dataverse against the process record. If it is an external issue and it is fixed, resuming the process is enough to continue. If it is a logic error in the process model, you can correct it, publish it, and then migrate existing running processes to the new corrected version.
Handling high volumes and business-critical processes. When the correct running of the processes is of paramount importance to the business because it touches the organization's bottom line. You know the pressure there is for all of it to work.
Our customers in both private and public sectors run business-critical processes with millions of process instances per month. AgileXRM just works. If you want to give AgileXRM a try, please contact us.